Namaskara, myself Yashaswini. Welcome to Shloka Chant with Yashu. Today we will be starting with the part 8 of our Vishnu Sahasranama. If you have not yet watched till part 7, I leave the playlist link here. Please do watch till part 7, then come to the part 8. I hope you are comfortable with the part 7 now. So we'll say the part 7 first, then I'll go to the part 8. And before starting, please find the hand gestures where if I do like this, the finger showing upwards, then it means your tongue tip has to touch upper palate of your mouth when you're pronouncing the letter N and the La. When I do like this, it's just stressing the letters, which is called as a Mahaprana for K, Ch, T, T, P, G, J, D, D, B letters. So let's start with the part 7 first. I'll say the part 7. Kshirodanvat pradeshe shuchimani vilasatsekate muktikanam malaglipta sanastas patikamani nibair muktikair manditangah शुभ्रैरभ्रैरदभ्रैरुपरि विरचितैर्मुक्तपीयूषवर्षैः रानन्दीना पुनियादरिनलिनगदाशङ्कपाणिर्मुकुन्दः. So here we stopped with the part 7. So let's start with the part 8 now. Bhu padau yasya nabhir viyada sura nilash chandra nila Chandra Suryau Cha Netre Karna Na Vasha Shiro Dhyaur Mukha Mapi Dahano Yasya Vasoya Mabdihi Antastam Yasya Vishwam Sura Nara Khagago Bhogi Gandharva Daityai Shchitram Ram Ramya Tetam Tribhuvana Vapusham Vishnu Misham Namami. So we'll take it little slowly, little fast. Bhu padau yasya nabhar viyada sura nila chandra suryau cha netre karna vasha shiro dhyaur mukha mapi dahano yasya vasoya Mabdihi Antastam Yasya Vishwam Sura Nara Khagago Bhogi Gandharva Daityai Shchitram Ram Ramya Tetam Tribhu Vana Vapusham Vishnu Misham Namami. We'll take it little faster. So here how it will stop in the previous one. So I'll take with the previous now. Kshirodanvat pradeshe shuchimani vilasatsekairmuktikanam malaklipta sanastas patikamani nibai muktikair manditangah शुभ्रैरभ्रैरदभ्रैरुपरि विरचितैर्मुक्तपीयूषवर्षैरानन्दीना पुनियादरिनलिन गदाशङ्कपाणिर्मुकुन्दः भूपादौ यस्य नाभिर्वियदसुरनिलश्चन्द्रसौर्योश्च नेत्रे कर्णावाशा शिरो द्यौर्मुखमपि दहनो यस्य वासोऽयमब्धिः अंतस्तं यस्य विश्वं सुरनरखगो भोगि गन्धर्वदैश्चैचित्रं रं रम्यते तं त्रिभुवनवपुषं विष्णुमीशं नमामि. So here we'll stop the part 8 of our Vishnu Sahasranama. If you have any doubts, any corrections, please do let me know in the comment section. Meet you all with the part 9. Thank you so much. Namaskar.